Model, 2015 Vauxhall Vivaro Sportive 27001.6 CDTI, 115, L1H1 needs clutch VAT included. Body, grey, panel van. Mileage, 207,800. MOT, the 15th of September 2024. Engine, 1598 cc 1.6120 PS BITURBO S, SE5. Transmission, 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, starts perfect. Runs perfect. The clutch pedal has no pressure so it will need replacing. Condition summary, bodywork is in decent, average condition. Interior is very clean. Rear load area is very clean, genuine honest work van. Features, electric windows, parking sensors, cruise control,